Every post and page in modern WordPress is built from blocks, paragraphs, images, headings, buttons, each independently editable, rather than one big text field. The real block editor, opened fresh, every piece of content here is its own independent, movable block. The real block editor demo post, already published with real heading, paragraph, and list blocks, prepared so we can see the real published result. The real, rendered result on the front end, a genuine heading, paragraph, and list, each independently styled by the active theme. The exact same real block system powers pages. Proof blocks aren't a posts-only feature. For block themes, the same real block system extends beyond content into the site's actual header, footer, and template structure. Real, already uploaded images are one click away from being inserted as an image block. The block editor and media library are directly connected. Here's the real payoff. Every one of these screens is a genuine live page on this real WordPress site, not a mock-up. Headings, paragraphs, and a real published result, every block genuinely independent and rearrangeable. Try it yourself, open a new post, and add 3 different real block types.